Hello everyone, and welcome back to another CY Mood CryptoAcademy video. I'm Becca, and today we're going to talk about smart contract and oracles. Oracle, in its definition from Latin languages, is a wise counsel entity, an infallible authority that show you the way. Surely many of you have initially thought of the Matrix old lady. But when we go to talk about oracles in the blockchain field, we have to tie ourselves to the world of smart contract. Blockchain oracles provide information outside of smart contract. They are the link between the blockchain and the outside world. Blockchain and smart contract cannot access external data from their world as a chain of blocks. But to execute contracts, you need a source of information from the outside world. Oracles solve this problem by creating the link between the blockchain and the outside world, greatly expanding the possibilities and capabilities of smart contracts. The oracle seeks, verifies, and gives a seal of quality on the information that the smart contract requires. The type of information can be of different types, obviously all measurable and according to the requirements of the smart contract. It is important to understand that a blockchain oracle is not the data source itself, but rather the level that requires, verifies, and authenticates external data sources and then transmits the information. The data transmitted by oracles takes many shapes. Price information, the successful completion of a payment, or the temperature measured by a sensor. As an example, let's assume that in a cash prize competition you chose to use a smart contract to distribute the money to the winners at the end of the competition. The oracle, at the end of the competition, will be contacted by the smart contract. The smart contract will receive the official ranking information and will automatically distribute the money on the winners' wallets. This system can be used for all kinds of sports bets, in the field of insurance, and many others. There are different ways to define and categorize different types of oracles on blockchain. A first category is that of the software oracles that interact with online information sources and then transmit the data to the blockchain. The information can be transmitted in real time, being taken from any source of information on the web. A second category are the hardware oracles, which take information, for example, from electronic sensors applied to the real world. This information is transformed into digital data that is sent to the smart contract. Obviously, the passage of information by oracles is both from the outside world to the smart contract and from the smart contract to the outside world. One of the greatest risks, however, is the quality of the information and its centralization. Obviously, if the information comes from a single source, this is a danger for the smart contract. Because plenty of information that has been modified could cause the contract to operate fraudulently. However, there are decentralized oracles that take information from several sources, or the same smart contract communicates with several oracles and controls the information received. Unfortunately, the oracle is a weak point when it comes to the smart contract. But as their use will become increasingly important, stronger protection systems will be developed. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you at the next one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share our video to spread our knowledge. And remember to check all the product made for you by the CY Mood team.